Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box for Yu-Gi-Oh! Supreme Darkness. So without further ado, let's get to opening and see what we pull. Last box was not too shabby. Let's see what this box holds. As usual, I will be starting on the right side. It is tradition, so we shall keep tradition up. We are starting off with an Abyss Steam. And we are moving to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get a Sinful Spoils Awakening. On to the next one. Where we have an Abyss Stride, the Atlantean Spirit. And on to the next one. And we have a Malchami Meowls for our secret rare here. Very lovely. Very good. On to the next one. Let's see what we get here. A Speedroid Wing Synchron. And on to the next one. With a Performer Pal Sky Magician Girl. And on to the next one. With a Queen Asamina. First ultra rare of the box. On to the next one. With a Gladiator Beast Claudius. And that's it here. Of course, pulling another quarter century secret rare would be very great, but not liking my chances here. We have an Argos Stars home stadium. On to the next one. With an Evil Assault. And that's that. And on to the next one. Where we get another Performer Pal Sky Magician Girl. And last pack for the right side, of course. Then we move on to the left. We have another Abyss Stride, the Atlantean Spirit. And moving to the left side now. There's not many options, to be honest. We have an Arcana Force EX, the Chaos Ruler. Let's see what we get. A Matereactor Exagard. On to the next one. With an Evil Hero Dead End Prison for our second secret rare. And on to the next one. So far we could still be getting a few more ultra rares. Like the Goblin, Biker, Scorn, Bonkers. Ask and you shall receive. If only it was that easy all the time. Another Gladiator Beast, Claudius. And on to the next one. With a Sinful Spoils Awakening. Next break. We have a Meteorreactor Meltdown. And in the next one we get a Test Bear for our next ultra rare. Moving on to an Ottonari Thunder. And we're down to 3 packs. Let's see what we get from those. An Evil Hero Inferno-Wing Backfire. Second to last pack. And we have a Fiendsmith's Rex Tremont. Or however you pronounce that. And we're down to the last pack. Where we have a Detonating Kuribo. And that's it for the box. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.